Hello guys, welcome to part 2 of illustration. Part 1 is about the denim texture tutorial. You can have a look. Link is in description box. Must check from there. And now in this part 2, I will tell you how to make the top. I'm going to make the organza top of this color. And I'm using this gray shade just for folds because organza is a sheer top, so we can't use a dark color for folds. First of all, we will fill the body color, and then secondly we will use the main color of the top that you want to do, and for that use a little light color for base of your top. Let me show you how. You can lighten your crookie. So for skin color, I will use this. Just lightly fill this color. Let the first color dry, then only fill the second color. Be very light, as we have to make the sheer fabric. So this is my lining of my top. That means this will be more dark than the top. So you can fill dark color over here. Now after filling the base color, you have to use the wet brush. So I have done with my base. That means the arm and the high neck area will be lightened than the body area. So this will be more dark, and I will use more color on the corners. As base and everything is fine, now with the gray color, as I have said, I will use gray color for folds. Just use gray color like this on the corners, just a little bit, and on this area. Hope you have understood the organza texture. only with 2 colors, one with base and one for folds. Like, share and subscribe my channel for further videos. Thank you.